Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy fxgas, Skyros, Splash, whatever you guys want to call me. Guys, I do have a lot of names. I'm coming back at you guys with another masterclass of an analysis here on the charts. Yeah, before we do get into it though, guys, please remember to leave a like and a comment. Also, please do subscribe and also put on your post notifications on so that you can be notified every time I drop this free game, right? So yeah, with that being said, let's just jump straight into it, guys. We're going to be analyzing the Euro USD right now. You guys know how I do my analysis. I start with top-down analysis. We're going to be starting from the weekly time frame first and work our way down. So yeah, guys, standard procedure. When I start, I just want to mark my current highest point, which is over here. Let me just make that black, guys. Make that black. So I have my current highest point, and then I'll create my current lowest point. That's simple. I've got my box now, I've got my frame. I now understand where it is I'm operating within the market. So then I'll have a look at, okay, where's market at the moment? Market is over here. And then I'll just draw a horizontal line for where the market is most likely going to reverse. So I'll probably just put my line over here. And the reason for that, guys, is because if you look over here, previously in the market, every time market approaches this resistance zone, it's rejected and goes back down. This happened on the 23rd of January, and then there was also another rejection on the 24th of April. And the market also rejected it on the 17th of June. So it's a relatively strong resistance zone, previously used as support, as we can see over here. On the 23rd of March, the market approached the zone over here and bounced back up into the top side. Yeah, just a well-respected zone overall. So after I've now just drawn my lines, my 3 lines, I normally operate with 3 lines of currencies, guys. Then I'll go into the daily time frame so that I can start to understand the movement and behavior of the market, right? So then we just jump straight into the daily time frame. Okay. Yeah, so what we can see over here, guys, is market was just kind of like in a kind of like a consolidation phase. If you can see over here, guys, market has just been bouncing around, really kind of just living its own life. It's been trying to actually penetrate this resistance zone. However, like I said, guys, it is a well-respected resistance zone, but we'll see what happens. Market is currently in an uptrend, guys. If you can look over here, there is some good bullish momentum starting from the 26th of September 2022. So the direction of the market it is that we want to take over here is up. What we're going to be looking for buys over here. I think it's quite obvious. We're just only going to be waiting for a breakout of this resistance zone, a retest, and then we should be making our way on towards the top side. So once I go into the daily time frame, as I said, guys, I like to just draw my troops so I can understand market behavior, how it was behaving. As we can see over here, we had a breakout of our tube, our pipeline. For those of you guys that don't understand what I mean when I say a tube or a pipeline, make sure you just look at my previous video. I think I explained it pretty well over there. And yeah, otherwise you guys can just leave a comment there in the comment section, and then I'll make sure that I go through it with you guys again. But I think by now you should understand what I mean when I say my tube or my pipeline. It's quite literally a tube and a pipeline. So yeah, as I was saying, guys, market had a breakout and it came to retest a previous area of resistance, now a support right over here. So we're going to draw our tube starting from over here. That's when our uptrend kind of started. Yeah, market is still looking quite bullish, guys. We're just really waiting for a retest back onto this support zone and to give us a bounce into the top side. That's all that we're really going to be waiting for. But like I said, it's still a little bit early, guys. You know, it's only the 31st of December. We're now going into the new year. You know, market is starting to cook new structure for a new beginning, you know. It's as simple as that. As we can see here, guys, looks like market was able to penetrate this specific resistance zone and is retesting it as an area of support. I think that if we can get a confirmation, what I mean by confirmation, guys, it's just a really nice, healthy, bullish engulfing candlestick that can close above these sticks over here. We can look to put in our buy positions right over here, our stop loss just below, and our take profit. Let me find us a nice take profit, guys. But it might be looking like a short buy. At the end of the day, money is money, guys. Money is money. As I was saying, guys, yeah, here would be a nice enough take profit, I feel like, giving us a healthy risk reward ratio. Let's have a look. Yeah, we could look to put our buys just as soon as market can give us a nice confirmation candlestick, giving us a healthy 1:53 risk reward ratio. Or if you guys want to take it a little bit more riskier, once market comes into this support zone, you can put in your buys over here or over here, and then put your stop loss just below it, and then you could be waiting comfortably for market to go to the top side. So yeah, that is my analysis with the Euro USD, guys. Moving on, let's just jump straight into the GBP AUD. GBP AUD. Yeah, guys, I'm seeing something very nice over here. Like I said, guys, I'm just going to remove everything here for you guys so that you can see how I analyze the charts. It's pretty simple though. So it's still standard procedure, guys. What I like to do is I like to create my current highest point, which would be over here. Let's just make that black. There we go. So I'll create my current highest point, and then I'll create my current lowest point, right? Just so that I have myself my frame and my structure, so that I understand, okay, no, this is where I'm operating within the market, right? Then I see, where's the market at the moment? The market is over here at the moment. So I'm going to be looking to put a horizontal line whereby the market is most likely going to reverse, right? So when I look at it, I would say, okay, no, market is probably going to reverse somewhere around here, right? Somewhere around here. Why do I say that? Okay, well, guys, this is an area where it's a current area of support at the moment. As you can see over here, market has approached the zone over here on the weekly time frame. Looks like it's slowing down, ready to go back up. In fact, I'm seeing something beautiful right now. I'm surprised it took me this long. I'm seeing head and shoulders, guys, but I will show you that in a second. So yeah, as I was saying, this is a strong area of support. Market approached the zone over here, failed to penetrate it down, and went up to the upside. Previous area of resistance, market tried to approach the zone over here around the 14th of November 2022 and was rejected down. Previous area of resistance over here, 26th of October 2020. I won't go further, guys, because I don't really like to go like past 3 years, because I feel like it defeats the purpose. But anyway, yeah, guys, as I was saying, after I draw my line for whereby the market is most likely going to reverse, I'll then jump straight into the daily time frame so that I can have my tube or to see market structure. So as I was saying earlier on, guys, I am starting to see a head and shoulders, right? It is quite obvious over here. For those of you that can't see it, I'm just going to point that out for you guys quite nicely. Let me point that out. I want to show you guys this previous strong area of support. Market had failed to penetrate it to come into the bottom side. However, we do have a breakout of structure. We currently have a breakout of structure, and we are waiting for a retest. Just a minute, guys. I just want to help you guys see this head and shoulders over here. This was the collarbone, or the resistance zone within that head and shoulders. Market has been cooking a nice structure over here, guys. I'm not gonna lie to you. Here's our left shoulder, here's our head, our right shoulder, and market has now broken out. What we can expect for market to now do is to give us a retest back onto this previous area of support and now area of resistance, and take us down to the bottom side, guys. As we can see over here, market has this tendency to create double tops. Market created a double top over here just before it created our left shoulder. It created a head and shoulders over here when it created our actual left shoulder, which is quite funny, and then it created our head, a double top for our right shoulder. So we can expect to have like maybe a double top over here or another head and shoulders over here that can give us more confirmation for the sell that we can be expecting coming into the new year, right? But like I said, guys, it's still a little bit early. We're only on the daily time frame. Let's just jump into the 4-hour time frame so that we can see more movements. The more movements, the more we're having a Gbpaud, guys. You know how it is. So yeah. As we can see, the area of resistance is right around here, guys. But like I said, I think market will still be trying to push up into this, because as we know, on the higher time frames such as the daily and the weekly time frame, market likes to respect those zones. more than the ones on the 4-hour H1 and the M30s, right? So it's gonna be a waiting game, guys. I think we can expect to put in a few buys until we get to the top side over here. From there, we can close our profits, then milk it even more by taking the sells and going down to the bottom side. We can be looking to put in our short positions right over here. Our stop loss just above the zone, just for control, guys. And I will take profit down here. This will be take profit number 1, guys. Looking very healthy, a 3:76 risk reward ratio, looking quite healthy. I cannot complain with that, guys. So yeah, that is my analysis with the GBP AUD, guys. I think let's jump into the last one, last but not least, the euro to the New Zealand dollar, guys. I'm also seeing something quite beautiful over here. I'm seeing quite a nice buy, but you guys know I'm just going to remove everything here for us so that I can show you guys how I analyze the charts, right? Cool. So let me just remove everything here for us, guys. Standard procedure, guys. When I start off with my analysis, I like to create my current highest point and my current lowest point, right? So that I can have myself a box and a frame to operate within, right? So I'll just put a horizontal line right over here. That's my current highest point, and now I have my current lowest point, right? It's that easy, guys. So from there, I'll look at where's the market at the moment. Market is over here. I'll be looking to put another horizontal line for whereby the market is most likely going to reverse, right? So when I look at it, I would say that market is probably going to reverse somewhere around here, and I'll let you guys know why in a second. Why? Okay, guys, this is an area of support at the moment. Market approached this zone on the 25th of September 2023 and was rejected back up into the top side. Market was rejected over here, tried to penetrate the support zone, was rejected back into the top side, and it was previously used as a strong area of resistance, guys. Market tried to penetrate up into this zone over here, was rejected very viciously and went back down, guys. So yeah, we can expect for the zone to be quite well respected, guys. Like I did say, guys, the zones on the high time frames, your monthly, your weekly, and your daily, are more respected than the ones on the H1, the H2, H3, and H4. Remember that. So yeah, guys, after doing that, after putting our horizontal line for whereby we expect the market to reverse, we'll jump straight into the daily time frame so that we can now understand market structure and market behavior, right? So let's just go into the daily time frame. Nice. I think we're gonna draw ourselves a tube over here so that we can see market movement. But market is moving quite well, guys. I'm going to be honest with you. Market is moving quite well. Yeah, market is moving quite well, guys. So we're going to start to draw our tube from over here and work our way up, guys. So, guys, we do have a breakout over here. I do want to point this out to you that we do have a breakout of our lower tube. Just hold on a second. I just want to finish off this tube for us so that I can continue to explain the breakout that we have in front of us. Just like that. I don't want to cut my zones, guys. So I'll just start from there. It's nothing too deep. I will zoom in a second, guys. There we go. So, guys, as I was saying, we do have a breakout over here on our lower tube. Some of you guys might be looking at this to say, okay, which is not wrong, that we might be seeing a sell over here. But if we're just looking at the overall momentum of the market, guys, market has been pushing upwards, right? And if you look at this breakout that happened on the lower tube over here, market has started to slow down in terms of bearish momentum, taking us down to the bottom side. So what we can expect, guys, to see is, let's just wait, because we might find that market will just reverse and start to buy towards the top side, making us have a correction with our trend line and putting it something like this, right? Because market is slowing down. Market does have a tendency to slow down each and every time it attempts to break our lower tube, right? So what we can expect, guys, I'm still going to be looking for some buys. I'm not yet convinced that market is ready to go down to the bottom side. However, I will be a little bit patient. I will be marking this zone over here, guys. I will be marking the zone over here, guys. It is a point of interest. Just waiting to see how it closes out of the zone and if it retests for sells but at the moment I'm still going to be looking for buys, guys. The euro is still looking a little bit strong against the New Zealand dollar. We can still be expecting to put in our buy positions over here. Our stop losses just below, and then market will eventually come back here to the top side, or even here, giving people a 5 to 91 risk reward ratio. That is possible. That's possibility number one, guys. But it's most likely going to buy, guys, but it's possible for it to even go down to the bottom side, allowing people to put in their sells over here. Stop losses just above, and then let me find a healthy take profit, guys, somewhere over here. You know, this could be take profit 1, depending on how market behaves, guys. We'll see. This one is just going to be also another waiting game. Like I said, guys, in forex, you just gotta have a lot of patience, guys. Wait for the market to come to you. Once you identify what it is that you want, whether it's a sell that you want, wait for that confirmation, that breakout, proper breakout of this zone of ours over here on the daily time frame, and a retest on it, taking us down to the bottom side. Me personally, I'm just gonna wait it out. I'm not really gonna be biased. I'm gonna expect a buy over here, guys. The market has been extremely bullish. Yeah, all this was just a carbon ceramic break, guys. Those of you who don't know what I mean when I say carbon ceramic break, imagine you're going up a hill, right? You're going up a hill. This is the hill that we've been climbing, guys, right? We've just been going up and up and up and up, and as we reach like the climax, the top of this hill, because we can see that it's about to start dipping, you're going to put on the brakes so that the car does not roll too fast down the hill. Now, the type of brake this was a carbon ceramic, because we can't even put in a tube for us to determine when is market really going to give us confirmation for a buy or anything. As you can see, market was creating some funky things over here, man. We had ourselves a double top over here, and then, hey man, like market was just doing its own thing over here. So that was just a carbon ceramic break. It really put this market to a halt, wanted to relax, gain some liquidity over here, giving us another touch on the upward trend line, and possibly taking us back to the upside. That's all it is. But yeah, guys, if you guys did learn something new today, please leave a like and a comment. If you didn't, leave a comment, guys. I do appreciate the constructive criticism. Like you guys, I'm just trying to be better in this thing, and better in life, and better in trading, right? Yeah, but for now, this is fxgas signing out with another masterclass analysis with the market over here, and I hope to hear from you guys soon about what you think about this. I will be back next week with an update and another analysis. Yeah, but for now, this is fxgas signing out. Skyros, sky is the limit.